Jungle Scout versus AMZ Scout. Watch these before you buy. I will explain each and everything regarding both of this software. If you are selling on Amazon, you have heard about software designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs, which is basically majority of these sellers used only these two softwares. First of all, we will talk about the data accuracy, right? In order to best serve the sellers, tools like Jungle Scout and AMZ Scout needs to use accurate data when offering insight on profitability. Otherwise, seller risk launching product that won't sell, and ultimately that seller will all the investment will be lost. Jungle Scout lead all other Amazon business management platform in data accuracy. It has the longest running history of data aggregation and analysis among its competitor. Right. On the other hand, if you just talk about AMZ Scout, Jungle Scout is 47% more accurate than AMZ Scout, right? So, in conclusion, if you talk about just accuracy, Jungle Scout is much more better. AMZ Scout data accuracy dramatically lower than Jungle Scout, which is minus 44.3%. So its margin of error in turn much more higher. Right, now let's talk about the advantages of Jungle Scout. Clearly, Jungle Scout offer more featureable and its offer better equipped to support seller beyond the initial product research phase. So while AMZ Scout may help seller find products to sell, it falls short in connecting sellers with suppliers, streamlined review requesting and running discount promotion, as well as the virtually, AMZ is not compared, not good compared to Jungle Scout. Right, so guys, I hope you found this video very useful.